Mastering the art of the past continuous tense in passive voice with modals. Hello, language explorers. Today we are diving deep into an advanced aspect of English grammar, the passive voice in past continuous tense with modals. This topic might sound a little complicated, but don't worry. We're going to demystify it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding and be able to use this form confidently. Before we jump into using modals, let's quickly recap the structure of the past continuous tense in passive voice. Generally, we form it by using was, were plus being plus past participle of the main verb. Example: active, the dog was chasing the cat. Passive, the cat was being chased by the dog. Now that we've refreshed our memory on the past continuous passive, let's move on to understanding modals. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission or ability. They include words like can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. So, how do we combine modals with the past continuous passive voice? This combination is used to talk about hypothetical or unreal situations in the past. Let's look at the structure. Subject plus modal plus have been plus being plus past participle. Example: active, he might have been repairing the car. Passive, the car might have been being repaired by him. Here, the modal, might, is used to talk about a possibility in the past. However, you should know that this structure is less common and sometimes can sound awkward. Many native speakers prefer to avoid the double, been being, and instead use a simple past perfect passive form. Revised passive, the car might have been repaired by him. Now let's talk about exceptions. Not all modals can be used in this form. For example, we don't use must in the past continuous passive because it doesn't have a past form. Instead, we use had to. Active, she must have been cooking the dinner. Not acceptable, the dinner must have been being cooked by her. Acceptable, the dinner had to have been cooked by her. And there you have it, the advanced usage of the passive voice in past continuous tense with modals. It's a tricky topic, but with practice, you'll get the hang of it. Remember, knowing these advanced structures can significantly improve your English fluency and comprehension. As always, keep practicing, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. That's how we learn. Until next time, keep exploring the beautiful world of English language.